Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you are learning lots from my videos. Today I have got a tutorial that's really useful. I am going to show you how to make a professional Clickbank landing page or the sales funnel in WordPress using simply Elementor page builder. So this template will help you promote your Clickbank product or other applications product, okay, so like a pro. So let's take a look at the preview of the template that we are going to build. So this is our landing page or the sales funnel you can say, and I have implemented some of the very normal features and functionalities. Okay, so let me show you the whole preview of the website from top to bottom. Okay, for now I'm going to just refresh this page. So we got the animations, entrance animations like this. Okay, here we have the pop-up menus where I just shown the disclaimer, privacy policy and about us pages. If I scroll below, we will have these images, these CTA buttons, okay, and a banner followed by these Lottie animations, okay, and when our viewport reaches to the 40 or 50%, then this pop-up appears. Okay, so basically this is created using the Elementor pop-up builder, and also we have this video, but it's not a normal video. If you scroll below, you will see it will turn into a smaller video. Basically it is known as a sticky video. Okay, so it's a very helpful to show the video of the product. Okay, and if a user just forget to watch this video, then this mini player will help to remind the video about it. Okay, so the user will catch this video and will play from here. Now we can easily close this video as well, and after that we have this section like this. We got these animations on these arrow buttons and these trusted logos that I've grabbed from the Clickbank product itself, and we have this kind of section. This is the parallax effect, and these are some animations that are applied to this text, and it's very simple. And another, we have this review section. Okay, so I just shown the 1 to 2 reviews, and in this way, so you can design it like this. Okay, after that we have the section. We got this banner, and below I have placed a CTA banner where I have added this money back guarantee logo. Okay, so basically I actually added this at the in the header, and I just applied an animation like this. Okay, so it zoom in and zoom out. So okay, so this is the buy now button, and I just place read privacy policy button just below behind it, and this is the subscribe form. Okay, so this is the same form which we got in the pop-up of the newsletter, and here we have some pages. This is the disclaimer page, and privacy policy, and also this about us page. Okay, so this tutorial is going to be very simple and quick, as we have just single landing page. Okay, so you need to just replace the link of your product inside this city, but wherever I have placed in this whole page. Okay, and then promote your product through ads or other marketing strategies. Okay, so without any delay, we will start this tutorial from the scratch, and please stay tuned and watch this tutorial till the end. Okay, so let's head to the dashboard. So this is the WordPress dashboard, and right now I'm going to install I just installed this WordPress on the local server. Okay, so you can create this either on online or offline. So very first step is to just install the basic themes, and after that we'll install some required plugins. So click on themes, click on add new theme, and search I will just install this Ocean WP. You can also install the Astra. Okay, both themes are good. Now activate it. Okay, so we just activated our basic theme. After that just go to plugins, click on add new plugins. The very first plugin is Elementor, and in this tutorial we only need 3 plugins. The first one is Elementor, the second one is Essential Add-ons, and the third one is Pro Elements for the pro features of the Elementor. Okay, so here is Elementor, just install it, and this Essential Add-ons. After that we in this time we will not use this Elementor header and footer. Instead we are going to use the theme builder of the Elementor. Okay, we will install we will activate these plugins in bulk. Okay, the third plugin is that Pro Elements. Okay, we almost install all the required plugins. Now go to install plugins. From there select the installed ones, and in bulk option click on activate. So we'll now move to the menu. So before that let's add the required pages. Click on all pages, and we'll add the page one by one. The very first page is our home. Template must be Elementor full width. The second page is disclaimer. The third one is about. We already have this privacy policy page, so right now I'm going to publish this. Okay, right now it is in the draft, so publish it. Okay, so almost we have all the pages required for this website. Now move toward this menu. Go to appearance, customize. Not the customize, sorry. Go to appearance and menus. Create your first menu. I will make it as a main menu, although it's not necessary to check any of these options. So I will okay, so here we have our right now I'm going to delete this custom link. Just move this home at the top and save. So our menu is ready. So we'll start designing our home page. Now go to pages, and open the home and click on edit with Elementor. Close this window. Okay, right now we can see here the unnecessary parts, which are title and this breadcrumbs. Okay, and these are the header. So we are going to be place and customize header over here, so we don't need to do anything okay with it. So but we need to change or hide this title and this breadcrumbs. Okay, for that we have to go inside the customize options. So open the customize in new tab. Okay, to hide this title just go to general options. From there you will see page type, and here select on hide on all devices. Okay, after that we will set the default page of the home page. Go to home page settings. From there we have to set a static page, and we'll set this as a home page. Okay, for this our front page. Now publish it. And also we have to change the background color. So the website background color is dark, so we'll set the background color. Now go to general options, general settings, not general settings, so we'll go to general styling. From there we'll see an option which is background color. Now select your desired background color. So I will copy the hex code and paste. Okay, you can also change the color in the Elementor itself. Okay, but it will only reflect the color for this home page. Okay, and the color of the rest of the pages will be white. So it's necessary to change the color of full website in this theme options. Okay, so now close it. I will refresh it. Okay, so we just change this background color. So okay, before designing this home page, we'll make the header. So it will be easy to us to get the correct flow of the website. Okay, so go to this dashboard. From there go to templates and click on the theme builder. So we don't need any templates, so close this window. Okay, so first of all I am going to just change the background color of this header. So go to this setting style, and here background type, and paste your hex code. Okay, also I'm going to make it as a global color, or save it. Okay, so that you can use this color throughout the website. Also we have this top bar. Let's hide this top bar first. We just forget to disable this top bar. After that just go to header, not the header, here we will have the option top bar. Just go to and enable or disable the top bar. Now publish it. The top bar is now gone. After that let's start designing our header. First add a container, and this container will be full width. Okay, again add a container and set width to 800 px. As you can see, our website is bounded within this container. Okay, and we have a very narrow space from left and right. So after that we need to create the 3 columns here. Okay, for that add another container and just click this container and make direction to row horizontal, and I will duplicate it. After that, in the very first column add an image, make it full width and reduce the size to 30, and also align items justify content to center. Okay, in the second column we have to add the heading, and we have to add this content. Set it to h1. After that go to style and change color to like this. Okay, and I will add this as a global color. Also enter into the typography, select the font family to condensed and font size to 35. Okay, and we'll make it a little bit bold and also style to italic, and just justify content to center and I make its column to full width and also last column to full width. After that we have to add a button. For that, okay, just select this column and change direction to right. Now let's text is buy on official. Okay, so we are in a very, so this column have very less space to adjust the elements, so we'll just reduce the width of this last column. Okay, so as we don't need the last column to be lengthy, so I will make it as a 10 and justify content to center, and also this I will go and I will justify content to left. So let's design this button first. Go to style and change the background color to background tab to gradient. Okay, so you have to just set your main color of the websites, main colors of the website. So just copy your all the main colors over here and save them globally. Okay, and we'll border radius to 100. Also we have the border type which is 2 pixel value. Okay, go to typography, set to go to condense. After that just go to advanced, select this title, order now type text, go to advanced and set margin right to increase the margin of the right hand side, so that the button will automatically align to right hand side. Okay, after that we have to add the hamburger menu on this third column. So for that I will set the icon widget and let's change the icon, search for align, you will see this hamburger logo. Change the color, also the size like this. Okay, I will adjust the margin from the bottom or will remove the margin. Okay, also justify content to center. Okay, now you can see that the logo is animating in zoom in and zoom out behavior. Okay, so to add the animations on this image, so let's increase the size on this image. Just select the image, make it full and go to advanced. So we have to copy the code snippet. Okay, in the additional CSS, custom CSS. Okay, advanced, here custom CSS, and change the class name to this, so it will animate like this. Okay, so almost our header is ready. Let's publish this, condition will be entire site and save and close. After that here just refresh it. Okay, so our header is ready. Now you will see that we have this bottom bar. It is known as a bottom bar something. Okay, so to remove that we have to go in customize, click on header and general. From there you will see this header border bottom. Okay, so uncheck this and the border bottom is gone, and close it. Just refresh it. Okay, after that just go to the header and just make sure the position of this header must be absolute. Okay, now update it and refresh the home page. Okay, so this header automatically will be act as a transparent header, so that we can easily adjust the background image of this container that we are going to place in the few moments. So our header is ready. Now we'll continue our designing part of the home page. The first we will place an image to the background and we'll blur it. Okay, so let's do that. Just select the container, pick out this container. Okay, make it full width. After that again add an container and change the size to 800 pixels. Okay, now select this main container, go to style. From there we have to set the background image. Okay, select your desired image. Okay, so here is our image. Now change the position to default. Repeat will be no limit. Display size will be auto. Okay, and also go to layout, set the minimum height to something like this. Okay, right now you can see that this image is completely covering our header part. Okay, so to avoid that, just go to style. We need to adjust the position, so make it custom. After that, from the Y position, shift this image to the upside, and also we'll change the display size, cover. Okay, so this looks good to me. After that just open this navigator, select this container, second one, and you can see that the container is actually overlapping our header, so we have to adjust the margin from the top side of this container. So select this container, go to advanced. From there just unlink this and set the top margin to so that it will be nicely placed below this header. So I will keep it 140. Okay, that's it. After that we have to make this background image to blur. For that just select this main container. Similarly we have to add and code a snippet to this container in our custom CSS. Okay, select this main container. I will copy the code and paste here. So our background is blurred. You might feel that the header is also get blurred with this code, but it's not. So let's update it and have a preview. Here all the confusion will be go. So let's have a preview of this website. Okay, only the background is blurred. Our header is fine. Now we have to just design over this section where we have to add this kind of text. Okay, so let's do that. Now just add heading. Okay, so it's actually getting blurred with this background container. Okay, to avoid this problem, just select this container and set z index to 4, so it will be aligned to the top of this container. Okay, here I will add a container instead of this heading because there are 2 headings actually. Okay, I will make it direction to row horizontal, make it h1, and the text will be will style this text, change to roboto, also set to 45 or 40, and will change style to italic. Okay, now duplicate it, and the second one is a Java bar. We will increase the size of this text, so I will make it 50 and also make it a bold. Let's change the color. Select this container and align items to end. Okay, and also select this container. We have to justify content to center. Now copy it and paste in this container. Select this container and align the items to center. Okay, to copy the text, adjust the margin from the top side like this. Okay, after that we'll add the container, and we'll again add another container. We have to just show 2 images over here. I will make the first container to row horizontal, duplicate this container, select the first container, make the padding to 0. In the first we have our product image, so let's add it, and in the second we have image, it's copied, pasted. Okay, select the second one and make it to full width, and will decrease its width. Also the first column, make it full width. In the below we have our text, so we'll select the text widget and we'll copy the text, reduce the margin from the bottom, and also the color to like this one. Also will style it, make it condense, roboto condense, and the font size be 16, okay, or 17. Adjust the line height. Okay, and we have 2 CTA buttons, so select the container, add the container to it, and make the position direction to row horizontal. We'll copy the button from here and we'll paste here. So the first is buy an official, second one is a more details. So here you have to set the link of your product. Okay, save this container and set the padding to 0. Okay, just update it and let's have a preview. Okay, so this is our first section, and here we have to add some animations on this text, image, and this city buttons. Okay, so for that this is the first text, so I will select this, go to advanced, from there go to motion effects and select the entrance animation to fade in left, and set the animation delay to 800. Okay, and select this Java button text, and I will add only fade in effect, and this time I will give the delay to 2000 milliseconds. After 2 seconds this image will, this text will appear, and select this below text, go to motion effects, select the animation to fade in left and give delay to 900. Okay, after that select right now I'm going to just animate this whole column, so I will add simple animation that will bring this column from left to right. Okay, and similar with this image. So select this column, go to advanced, motion effects, select the left, fade in left, and give a delay to 1000. Okay, sorry, I selected this whole column. Select this first container. Select the second image, go to advanced, and this time image will be fade in right. Okay, set duration to 1.5, not 1.5, it is 1.00. Okay, so we just applied our animation, update this, and let's have preview. Okay, so we have to adjust here something. We will extend the delay. Okay, so here I will set to 1000, and this will be 1300. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, now it looks good. After that we have to add animation on this header as well, and we'll reduce the some margins from the top side. Okay, so you can see that there are much space from the top side, so let's reduce that size. Select this container, okay, now go to header and select this, go to advanced, select the motion effects, and entrance will be faded down. and animation duration will be fast, and I will make it 800. Okay, now let's check our website. Refresh this page. Okay, let me reduce the updated. Okay, now it's perfect. So we just redesign over this first section. Now we'll move to the another section. In the next section we will add this banner and this Lottie animation, also this sticky video. Okay, we'll move forward. So for that I will add a container. Okay, give the top margin to 40%, sorry 40 px, and we'll copy this text, set its direction to row horizontal, paste here. Okay, after that just remove its animation, go to styling, select to medium, and also reduce the size to 35, change style to normal, go to select this text, go to advanced, view padding to 30, and also set a background color which is gradient type. Okay, select the color like this. Also will give border radius to 10. Okay, and just copy the text, will decrease the font size, make it 30. Okay, now we'll add a Lottie animation just beside it. For that, search for the Lottie widget and just drag and drop. Select this text and from here adjust the custom width. From here select the JSON file, click on enable and upload your JSON file. Okay, now remove the margin from the bottom. Remove all the extra margins. Okay, we'll that's it. After that just go to these settings, from there enable a loop, so our animation will so the animation will continue. So right now let's after that just update it. We'll add a sticky video. For that, search for this video and you will see this sticky video which comes under this essential Elementor add-ons. Okay, I will add a container. I will add that sticky video inside this container. Okay, so here is our sticky video. Now let's select this container, go to advanced and set the margin from top to 40. Let's adjust the background of this image. So let's adjust the blurred image background. Update it. Okay, let's add some box shadows on this video. So select it, go to advanced, from there go to border and enable this box shadow. So we have this type of effect. The next we have to add a video link in this video. So make sure you always put a genuine video of the particular product of the Clickbank, so that you can gain the most trust from the users. Okay, select this video player, go to content, inside this video paste your YouTube link. Now select this container and here set this to 40%. The meaning of this 40% is that when we scroll the page and it reaches to 40% from this video, the video will disappear from here and it will show at the bottom right hand. Okay, so it's very useful stuff to capture the attention of the user. If you forget to watch this video, it will just show the video in the minima, so he will definitely click that video to play. Okay, after that let's add this section. Basically we have two animation here with this is the first animation on this arrow button and the second one is on this entire column. Okay, so let's do that. First update it, add a container, give a margin to 40 px from top, again add a container and set position the direction of this first container to horizontal. Duplicate this container, select the first container and set padding to 0. After that we have to add these icon and the text. For that we have to add one more container, and this time make row horizontal. Okay, after that select an icon widget, set. This time I'm going to upload my own SVG icon. Okay, select the files and insert. Let's remove for the top and the bottom margin. Also reduce the size like this. Okay, now we'll add a text. So I will place a heading. Keep it H2, change color to this. Also we'll make change to Roboto Condense, and we'll set it to medium, and copy this text. Let's reduce the size of this icon a little bit. We'll align the items to center. Okay, so we have to apply animation to it. So we'll copy the code snippet of this animation. Select this arrow, go to custom CSS and paste. After that you have to just assign the class name that exactly same in this code snippet. Okay, so our logo is now animating. After that let's duplicate this. So we have these 5 items, so we have to duplicate this 4 times. Okay, duplicate. We'll adjust the margin from the top. Like this. Okay, copy the second text, make this full width, also second one full width, and reduce the width of the second so that our text will be fit in this container. Okay, duplicate. Now let's add the image to the right hand side. We'll alignment to right hand side. Okay, after that you have to add another button just below this content. So I will copy the button from this header, or you can directly copy from here. Okay, select this. Change the background color. And the text is try yourself. Okay, so our static part is ready. Now let's animate it. So So let's update this first. Select the first container or column or row, go to advanced, go to motion effects and select fade in left. Make the animation duration normal and we'll set it to 600. And to achieve the kind of animation, we have to set or give a delay by 100 milliseconds to each layer. Okay, so select the second column, go to advanced, and here this time the delay will be 700. In this way we have to add the 100 ms to each of the layers. Okay, so we will have the animation like that, this way. Okay, select the third, go to advanced, and I will bring this button after completing this animation. Okay, so go to advanced, select motion effects, and I will just fade in, or will make it fade in left and give it to 1300. And similarly with this image from right, I will give it to 600 and update it. Also we'll apply the animation on this container, so go to advanced, motion effects, I will apply it fading down, and I will make it fast. Okay, and update it. Now let's take a preview of this landing page. So refresh it, let's scroll down. This is the sticky video. Okay, and we got this kind of animation. Now we'll move to the next section, which is this. So we'll add a container. It's sometimes becomes difficult to find the correct container to place. Okay, so I will drop here. I will adjust the container from here. Okay, and go to advanced, add a margin from the top side, which is 40. So we have to maintain the equal throughout this page, and you can see that we reached to the 40% of the offset of the space. So we got this mini bar. Okay, as the length of our website increases, so it looks perfect. After that, add a container, set its direction to root, and we have to add a text first, and we'll go to style, make decoration to, not decoration, is transfer to uppercase, and we'll type here what is, and we'll align these items to right hand side or end. After that, just copy this Java button and paste inside it, and I will align items to end. Let's adjust its bottom. Okay, we'll make it to H1. Okay, we got this what is Java text. After that, we have to add the text below it, copy this text, paste below. Just copy this text and paste here. Okay. After that we have to add this image. I got this image on the official website of the Clickbank product. We'll add some margin from top, just 20. Okay. Okay, that's it. Update it. Now let's take a preview. Just scroll. We got this animation and we have our sticky video. Okay, so we almost completed our 50% work on this website and it's working well. Now we'll move to the next section. So we have to add this section. So here we have the parallax effect, and after that we have these 3 columns. We got this image and some text, and we have to apply this type of animation to it. So no worries, because we have to just follow the same procedure that we did with this text animations. Okay, so let's design that. This time we have to add the container outside this container, because we have to apply the parallax effect. Make it full width, give margin top to 40 px. After that add container inside it, make it 800 px. You can give padding from top side to 30 and also bottom from 30. Okay, now set just select this container, make its direction to row horizontal. So we have to create 3 columns over here. Select this, duplicate it. Okay, so okay, let's add another container. And duplicate it. Okay, select this container and make its row horizontal direction. Duplicate in this way. So first of all, let's add the parallax effect. Select this bigger container, go to style, add an image of your choice. So right now I'm going to use this image and select it. Okay, after that just go to layout, set the minimum height. I will set minimum height to 500. After that go to style and position will be center. Repeat will be no repeat, and this will be cover. Okay, and set the scrolling effects, vertical scroll, and set size to 10. Sorry, speed. That's it. After that go to background to overlay, select the background type and set this color and increase the opacity. After that we have to add these all texts. Okay, so first I will just make this static part, then I will be back and will animate these text animations. Okay, similarly we have to apply a delay of 100 milliseconds to each text layer, so that we can achieve that kind of animation. So let's design this static part. Okay, so I just designed this section, and let me tell you what I have done in this section. First I just added these normal text. In the mid I placed this bar image, and this third column I just added this kind of text. Okay, so I will give a randomly to a color like this. Okay, similarly with this column. Okay, and you can see that this is our static section. Now let's apply the animations. So I will select this first, go to advanced, go to this motion effects. From there entrance animation will be left, and we'll add to 600. We'll start from the 500, sorry. Okay, similarly we have to just add the 100 ms to each layer. So it's a very time consuming process, but still you have to do, because to achieve something good you have to always spend a lot of time. Okay, after that let's add the animation on this image as well. So select this image, and I will add the motion effects from fading down, and this will be fast. We'll start the same delays from this 500 ms. This time will be fading right. This will be 1100, and the final is 1200. Okay, so the animation is applied successfully. After that just update it, and let's have preview. Just scroll the page to the downside, and these are the animation. Okay, so I just change this animation, so I make it like this. Okay, you can select from fade in right or left instead of fade in left. Okay, so we will have this kind of animation. In this case I just set the animation to fade in, from here fade in left. Okay, and here I set it to fade in right, so instead of coming from this left hand side, it arrives from the right. So in this way you can change the behavior of your animations. Okay, so don't worry, you can still keep this animation by just keeping the fade in left instead of fade in right. Okay, now we'll move to the next step. So the next is over this review section. So let's design it. For that I will add container inside this container. Okay, Okay, need to add this outside this box. Set to 800. Again add the container and we can set it to full width as our parent container is 800 px. Set the margin from the top to 40 px and we have to add this text. For that, select the container and I will copy this text change direction to row horizontal and paste here. Also we have this Java 1. Okay, we'll copy the Java 1 element. First let's rename it. Align item justifying content to center. Also align items to center, not the center, at the end. Okay, I will keep this in front of it. After that, add a container and again add a container, set direction to horizontal and duplicate it. In the first we will have an image, set it to full width and also full width to this container. After that, select this image, go to advanced, from there go to background, not the background, it's the border, set to box shadow. Before it, just add the padding like 15 and enter the border. From there I will add 10 px border and also give the shadow. Okay, so it will look like this. After that we have to add this text. For this I will copy the text from here, paste it, align this to center and also reduce the size to 70. After that you can see that we have the color on this 25 kg, so it highlights 25 kg. To make this we have to add a spam inside this heading, so copy this and make it. Add a spam tag inside this text that you have to focus. So this is the 25 kg and you will see a spam tag inside it, and there we have to add a style which is the color type and just close this spam tag. Okay, so you will have this kind of effect. Now in the second column we have to add the description, so I will copy this text, paste here. I will also copy the text from here, and make sure you have to always provide a genuine reviews and the videos in the landing page of any affiliate product. Okay, after that you can see that we have this bubble or comment icon just behind it. To add that, just add a icon widget first. Set the icon to comment. I will choose this. If you have any custom logo, then you can upload it. After that, let's change the color to something like this, and I will also reduce the transparency, increase the size, and go to advanced. Select the position to absolute. Now from here, just adjust the position of the icon. Okay. Increase the size a little bit. So I will keep in this way, and add a name. I'll just copy this text, will paste here, text align to left, and I will say it to something like Adam. I will duplicate this section to add the second review. We'll decrease the margin from top side. Okay, I refresh this image. Okay, so we got this second review. Update it, and let's add animation to it. First we'll add animation to this container. I will add here fading down, okay, and fast, and I will add animation from the left hand side. So we will add to 700, and this will be 800. Update it, and let's have preview. Okay, this is the sticky video. Okay, so we just finished another section. Now we will move to the next section. We have to just add this kind of banner, and the CTA section, and the subscribe form. So let's start designing. So here I will add a container. So basically I will copy the banner from here. Okay, copy it, and you can directly paste in this. So I will just paste inside it. I will adjust these from here, or you can just keep the top margin, say 10 px. Okay, let's increase to 20 px, and we'll change its text. Okay, after that we have to add this kind of box. So I will add a container for this, as we have to give a border, give some padding to it like 20, and not to this, keep it 0. I will add another container and select this container, give a padding to it, okay, so like 30. Okay, yes. I will simply duplicate it. Make its direction to row and just duplicate the second, okay. After that, select the main container, that is which is the parent container, set padding to 30 or say 25. After that we will place an image, so we'll reduce its size, okay, make it full width, okay. After that we have to add this text. For that I will just copy it, paste here, go to advanced and just remove the border, not the border, just background, okay. And also padding. After that let's copy this text, just below we have these two buttons. Let's reduce its size and okay, I will place an container just below it and set its direction to the horizontal, okay. We'll copy this button and the second button is this, and paste, okay. Set its padding to 0 and here we have text buy now. In this link you have to just put your affiliate link, okay, and here privacy policy. Okay, now select this parent container and just justify content to center. Select this and go to advanced, not style, just go to border and select the border width to 2 px and color to like this, okay. Now we have to add the subscribe form. So before adding the subscribe form, we will finish some of our steps like pop-up, okay. The first one is a pop-up. The second, we have to set up a menu for this hamburger icon, okay. Where is the hamburger icon? Okay, here we have to set up a menu for this hamburger icon, and also we have to set up the pop-up. So as soon as we create or design a pop-up, we will just copy those design and we'll paste here. We'll just paste just below it, okay. So let's finish those steps. First update this and heads to the dashboard. From there just go to templates and just select the pop-up. Okay, let's finish our menu first. Okay, so good. For that we also need a pop-up. Sorry, create your first pop-up, give a name to menu pop-up. Okay, and just create it. We already just created our menu in the previous session. Okay, here you can see. So we will need to add that menu inside this pop-up. So close this tab, as we have to just make this design from the scratch. Select this setting icon. From there go to style, select the pop-up. From there just select the background type. Okay, so I will use the background type to color of this background to match the color. Now add a container, give a padding to 20. Okay, after that search for menu, select this simple menu. Okay, this is from the essential add-on, so we don't need this. Just select this simple menu. Okay, WordPress menu. Okay, now go to style and from there select this color. Again go to typography, set its weight to like this. Okay, and also change the font 512 condense. We'll change its font size to 17, and the menu are so far from each other, so let's make them close to each other. Okay, in this way. So here are some weird hover animations or hover effects, so we will remove it. So select this hover, and the pointer color will be null. It means you just set here to the transparent, so it will look like this. So you can increase this padding. Okay, so here is our menu ready. Now we have to publish, and later on we will just connect to this hamburger icon. So publish it, and we have to do nothing here, just save and close. After that just go to settings. We forgot one step. From here entrance animation, select fade in down, and the out animation fade out up. Okay, set its animation duration to 0.500 and update it. Now we have to open the header, so go to header, from there here is our hamburger icon. We have to add a menu slider. Okay, for that select this hamburger icon. From there you will see this link, just beside it you will see this dynamic tags. Just open it. From there you will see this pop-up under the actions. Select this setting icon. From there just make sure it is open pop-up. From the all select or type menu. All the list that we have created will be appeared here. So this is the menu pop-up. Just click on it and update. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is our hamburger icon. Now let's click on it. Okay, so we just forget to set the position of this this pop-up to the top, and also we'll remove the overlay. Okay, so let's do that. This is the overlay, just uncheck this, and also from the settings, style, pop-up, here the position. So here vertical position will be top. Now let's update this and we'll check the preview. Okay, so our pop-up is working well. After that you can set the color of this close button. So go to menu, from there go to styles, select the settings, go to style, from close button. Okay, set color to this, update it, and save and close. Okay, our menu is ready. Now we'll design our pop-up. So again we have to just close this menu, we don't need this. So go to templates, from there select the pop-up. We have to create another pop-up for this website, so click on add new. From there we will name it as a newsletter pop-up. Just close this. Similarly go to settings, and from there go to style. I will similarly change the background color to this. After that select the container, again set the container, and select this container, set direction to row horizontal. So we have to make here 2 columns. Okay, now select this, set the padding to 15. After that select this, and here we have to set the padding from the top and bottom. So top will be 40, bottom will be 40. Okay, and we have to set the background color, not color, the image. Select it. Position will be center, repeat, no repeat, and display size will be cover. Okay, like that. And here we will add an background overlay. Select the opacity a little bit, and add a text. Change text to logo, set it to H1. Also will justify content to center. Select text, select text to white, and typography will increase its size 30 or 35. So we'll increase the font weight. Okay, now in the right hand side we have to add some text. Okay, here we have to add a subscribe button, the text, okay, and this is the form. So go to your pop-up section. Here I will add a text. Just copy this text, paste here. I will give margin to this column. From top it will be 40 and 40. After that I will set it to okay. Subscribe. change its color to like this, and below we have to add a text. So for the text I will add a text from here. Copy the text, after that we have to add a form, search for the form, and I will select this form. From there remove the message and this email, say open it, and here label will be email, just remove it, and that's it. Just go to buttons, from there select here subscribe. Now go to style and go to buttons, from there set the background color to also go to typography, from there this will be transform, keep it as normal, okay, and then letter spacing make it closer to, and also change it to logo to condense, will increase its font size. Subscribe, okay. After that set border radius to 100. Now go to content, from there open the button, and here alignment to the left. We will add the border to the button, border type to solid 2, and border color will be white, okay. So here our form is ready. Now you will see this has no paddings or margins from the top and from all sides of this column or container. So and we have this paddings, okay. So to remove that, select this, the main container. I will not use any padding here, so keep it 0. Okay, so let's add the padding to the left and right hand side. Here apply 30, and to the left hand side I will add 30 as well, okay. And also from the right 30. That's it. Make it 800 or just keep it as it is, okay. Now our form is ready. I just pick up the different color, so let's change it, okay. So we have our pop-up form ready. Now let's publish this and go to triggers. From there you will see this on scroll, just click on it, and within 50% the pop-up will appear, okay. You can set it to 60, 70 or whatever you want. Now save and close. Also we will set the animations. So from the entrance animation we will just fade in down, and outer animation will be fade out up, okay, and update it. Now refresh this website. Scroll slowly till the bottom. okay, our pop-up is not working, so let's check what happened actually. So display condition, we have to add a condition to enter site, so save and close. Now refresh this. Scroll again. Okay, so after the 50% of this viewport height, we got this pop-up form. If you observe that our animation took more time to appear, so we need this animation quickly. For that we have to just reduce the duration, so I will keep it as 0.600, so it will be enough. Now again let's refresh this. And scroll. Okay, so we want this speed actually. And you can also change the color of this pop-up from the same place. Here go to the settings and style, go to close button. From there just check it. Okay, now we'll do one thing. I will copy this form from here, just copy it and I will paste here. So for that I will use add of container here. I will add another container, or okay, I will not the second container, just save this and change position to row horizontal. Okay, now paste here. From there go to advanced, select the width to custom and just increase the width. Okay, now we'll add the text, so I will copy the same text and you can see that we have this type. Okay, so we'll add one container. We need a container over here. Just paste. Also copy the title. And paste. Okay, remove the padding from here as well. And we'll just reduce the margin from the top side. So here our pop-up form is also ready. Okay, so in the last we have to add a footer area here. In the footer we have to add only the copyright text. Okay, so let's do that. I will go to template, go to theme builder, from here select the footer, click on add new. Just close it. For that add a container, add a text. Here I will write copyright. Type the website name. Okay, make it the center. Also add a padding to it, let's say 5. Go to style, change text to something like this, and also go to typography, change condensed, also change font weight. Okay, and you can keep it like this. Okay, now publish it, set condition to enter site. After that just select this main container, go to style, set the background. So I will keep it like this. Okay, now update it. Let's check its preview. In this way our footer is also ready. So if you want to modify the footer in the other way, you can do it. Okay, I just keep it as simple as possible. Scroll below. So here is our footer. We need some spacing in between these containers, so let's add it, or you can directly add the space top margin, okay, from this footer. 40. That's it. Okay, so this is the way that we have designed our landing page for the Clickbank product. If you found something missing in this page or website, you can add it. So here is our menu and everything is ready. Now we can add here the pages like privacy policy, about, and disclaimer. So if I click here, so it will look like this, as our home pages are not ready. Okay, so I will design the one page. Okay, accordingly you have to add the another pages. So let's head toward the dashboard, open these pages. I will add privacy policy, click on edit. So here is already written privacy policy. Now I will just change template to Elementor full width, update this and open with edit with container. Sorry for that. Okay, it's gone now. We had to just copy that paragraph, but no worries, just edit with Elementor. I will just copy all the privacy policy from here. Remove this, add from margin from the top, which could be 150 or 130. Okay, set its width to 800, and let's copy the privacy policy. Okay, so this is basically an HTML code. You can generate the privacy policy for free. There are a lot of websites are available in the net. Okay, so copy this. So I will copy this whole code, search for the widget which is HTML and paste here. Okay, and so you can observe that our text is not visible properly to us. For that we have to add some extra CSS inside this HTML widget. if let me show you what I have added in over here. So go to advanced and click on custom CSS. Here you will see this color of something. Okay, I set the class name as a pp and set color to white, so the text will automatically turn to white. After that h2, h1, h3, h4, okay, I set it to white. Okay, so in this way you have to just set the color of each elements like h1, h2, h3 or paragraph, okay, to white. So I will copy this code and will paste here. Go to advanced, to a custom CSS and paste, and I will lay out to pp. Okay, if you feel that this is a very irritating procedure, you can directly take a heading widget. Okay, add a heading, take a text editor and add a para. In this way you can manually write in a proper manner instead of doing any manipulation like this. Okay, so this is our privacy policy page ready. Now publish it. Open this page or website. Open this menu, click on privacy policy. Okay, so this is our privacy policy page. In this way you can do similar with these pages. Okay, now we'll move to its responsiveness. Okay, now we'll check the responsiveness of our website and we'll make it compatible with all devices. So click on the responsive mode. From there you will have two options, one is a tablet, another is mobile. So click on tablet, and by default it will be responsive in the tablet mode as our width of the container is 800 px and which is nearly equal to width of the tablet. Okay, and we'll check in mobile. So right now in the mobile it is not responsive, so let's make it, and it's very easy. As you might feel that it's tough to make it responsive in mobile, but it's not. We'll make it widely. Okay, first what we'll do, we have to set the margin of this container as in the, if you check here you will see the top margin is set to 79 in case of the desktop, so make it 0. And you will see this logo is animating, so we don't want that logo to be appear in this mobile device. For that, open this navigator and okay, sorry, this the part is actually the header part, so go to header first. We'll make it responsive first. Okay, so here open this responsive mode, enter into device, and here we will have this structure like this, which is weird, and we don't want to be display in our mobile device. Okay, for that we have to make it so let's rearrange this layout. First I will now display this in the mobile device. For that, go to advanced, select this container. From there, responsive mode, just hide on mobile portrait. Okay, this is the first part. In the second, we have now left this animated logo and this hamburger icon, so we have to make them in line with each other. Okay, so we have to keep this hamburger just beside this logo. For that, select this container. From there we'll see here, make it 100%. Also select this and make it 100%. and just reduce the width of the second container so that it will be automatically shipped to the inline. Okay, so for that we have to make this column a little bit smaller like this. Okay, now just hide this panel, will shake. Okay, now it came in line with this logo. I will adjust its width, select this container and move it, and also set its alignment to right hand side. Now let's check, it will not come because we actually just grab the whole container area. So let me do it. Okay, just increase the width and check whether it fits or not. Okay, if it not, then reduce this width. Okay, though, so 60% is perfect. We'll make arrangement for this. We'll shift this to the right hand side a little bit. Okay, after that switch to tablet. So here we'll reduce its margin. Let's say 140. Okay, that's it. So our header is ready. So you have to always remember that just keep the few things in the mobile device, as it will not hold all the elements. Okay, so save this. Now update it and just refresh this page. You will see the difference. Enter into the mobile mode. After that select this. Now this one. From here we have to set the top margin. We will also do one thing here, just select the main container. From there we have to shift the image position to the upward side. Okay, and I will keep the text as it is, or you can also reduce the size like 30. This also 30. Okay, wait, we'll fix it in pretty. Make it center aligned. Okay, remove the top margin. And I will keep these things as it is. This also. but in this way I will remove every margins from here and will reduce its size. This will be center. Okay, and also check the side by side if anything goes wrong with the other device as well. Okay, sometimes it's happen that when we change the the settings on the other device, it will reflect in the others. Okay, so please take care of it. I will remove the margin. I will keep them as it is. Okay, and I will also keep this text as it is. Will increase the size of this image. You can make it full width. Okay, and will reduce the size of this bar. Just select the photo. So I will keep it like this. Okay, select this. So I'll change layout to center. Okay, okay, so this column, select this container. From there go to layout and select justify content to center. Okay, and scroll below. We'll remove this margin from the top. We'll keep it as it is. Also this, and you can okay, here we will change it. I will change its text to, I'll reduce the size first. Okay, and also padding, and we'll reduce this size as well. And make it full. Let it be 100. Okay, like this. I will keep this text as it is and buttons also as it is. And from here I will increase its width as we set it 45px in our desktop and mobile view. Set it to pix. And this is a subscribe button. Okay, so our page is fully responsive. Which let's check one more time. This is the mobile view, this is the tablet, and this is the desktop. Okay, let's make it let's save this. Right click on this page. From there you will see this inspect. Click on it, and here we have the landing page, which is mobile friendly. You will see that this is our menu. Okay, we forgot one thing. We need to make a vertical menu in this mobile device and horizontal menu. Okay, horizontal will be automatically set as per the desktop, but this is the breakpoint of the website. Whenever the breakpoint occurs to the tablet or mobile, it will convert to the hamburger icon as we have set the menu over here. So we have to fix them. First go to your pop-up where we created for this. Here we got menu pop-up. Open it, edit with Elementor. Okay, so here we have to set the breakpoint. First select this menu. By default it sets tablet portrait, means 1024px. Whenever these two size occurs, it will turn to into this hamburger icon. For that we have to set this for the none, and enter into responsive mode. After that select the mobile. So in this mobile device we have to show these horizontal menu items in vertical in mobile device. For that I will duplicate it. After that here set layout to vertical, and here you need to do one thing. Just select this first menu, go to advanced, from the responsive select the responsive and just hide on portrait. Okay, and select the second one. We have to hide the second one from the tablet and desktop. Okay, so this menu will be only visible in the mobile device. So update this and save and close. Okay, now let's take a preview. Just inspect. So this is the tablet. Okay, now let's change to mobile, which is 400. So this is the mobile. Everything is properly working as we have set in the mobile device. Okay, now let's check this hamburger icon. Click on it and we have our vertical menu. Okay, so everything is properly working, and here our tutorial ends. And in this way you can design your landing page for your any affiliate product. This time I just illustrated you the landing page for this Clickbank product. Okay, but in case if you have other products, so you can create for those. Okay, I will give the link of this template for the downloading purpose. You can easily download this template for free from my website. I will drop the link in the video's description. Okay, from there just download this template and customize accordingly. You can also learn from there. So in this way you can design your landing page, and I will be back with another interesting tutorial. Till then, goodbye, take care.